If it wasn't Haiden Degan, you wouldn't be talking about it. And that's from Ricky Carmichael and Ryan Villopoto on their NBC Sports podcast interview thing, whatever it is. And it's true, because that pass right there that Degan made on Max Anstey, I'm going to say this right now, is it stupid and probably unnecessary? Yes. He was clearly faster. He could have made this pass on the next corner or the next lap, whatever. Is it the worst thing in the world? No. Do I think it was a super intentional, horrible takeout? No. He slid the rear tire, hit his front wheel, and that's it. It wasn't like he sent him over the berm, whatever. And I am going to say this too. I'm also on the belief that this is not a team sport. You may be riding for the same team. The same people might be paying your salary. But the moment you get on that bike, you are by yourself. Because if your teammate wins and you get fifth, you get none of the spoils that they do. It's not the same as the NFL, where if you're a third stringer and your team wins a Super Bowl, you get something from it. If you don't win, you get nothing. I mean, obviously, if you get second or third, whatever, you get the bonuses, whatever, but that's still individual. You still have to individually get the points to come in those places to earn the salaries and bonuses and rewards, whatever. And it's very well just shown by the pure fact that Anstey, who is on Star with Haiden Degan, is wearing a different gear set. Everybody on Star is riding whatever gear that is. They're all wearing the same colorway, jersey, whatever. Degan's wearing a completely different gear set because he's sponsored differently. He's on the same team and has different money coming in. They continue to talk about how, if you're the team owner, you probably don't like this because you want multiple quote unquote horses in the race. At the moment, you have Haiden Degan first, Max Anstey second, and even Michael Mosiman fourth in the championship. That's 3 out of the top 4 people in the 250 West Division racing for one team. Yes, it's a different person in first now than it was after round 1. As a team owner, don't think you really care all that much about it. If it was this massive, T-bone sent him over the berm, horrific, super intentional thing, then yes, you could probably be like, hey, what are you doing? There's absolutely no need for this. For this kind of pass, whatever. They also had, they were talking about it that, if this was the end of the season, you do this to somebody for a championship, then it's fine. Well, then it should be fine in race 2 because it's still for a championship. Right now, that pass got him the points lead, which is going to, if you take the hypothetical, lead him to a championship. If he didn't take that pass and he just said, "Oh, I can't pass my teammate with touching him," he can finish first, which is never going to happen in this sport. Then, it's a contact sport generally. If there's a little rubbing, it's perfectly fine. And this is not a horrible takeout. He slid his rear tire, tapped Anstey's front, and because it's, on a berm in a corner, he fell over. It's not horrible. I don't get it. If you look at comments on things, it's people calling Degan the dirtiest rider of all time. I've seen some dirty things in this sport, and it's definitely not even close. I mean, you had the Bogle intentional takeout of Barsha a few years ago. You have Freezy taking out Pike and getting punched in the back of the head for it. This is not a horrible pass. It's not super aggressive. It's not rough. Is it stupid? Yes. I mean, at a certain point, it's just how many people do you want to start taking out where you can cause yourself to lose a championship from them wanting revenge? Definitely. It was a stupid pass. Stupid contact, whatever you want to call it. But was it necessary? No. Was it horrible? No. Do I think it was super intentional? No. I mean, he's obviously just trying to block the line of Anstey cutting down behind him. Hits the rear brake, slides the back, and it just happens to be, a slight amount of contact. I am going to say, yes, it's stupid. And it's just funny because if it was somebody else, it would not have this kind of reaction. I mean, Levi Kitchen did pretty much the exact same pass to Max Anstey in the same corner, and you've heard pretty much nothing about it because it's not Haiden Deegan. It's Levi Kitchen. You know, not saying he's a small name or whatever, but because it's a different person, it's treated 100% different. And I don't know. To me, it's just stupidity. Do I think it's smart of him to be taking out his teammate or taking out a bunch of people? No. Eventually, somebody is going to get mad at you, and they're going to find a little bit of retribution, and that might cost you a championship. But do I think this is horrible and deserving of being called the dirtiest rider ever? Definitely not. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. I don't know. Do you love him? Hate him? What do you think of the pass? What do you think of the Kitchen or the Sexton on web pass? Whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.